Guys, thank you all very much. Okay, here's a quick question to you both. Siddharth, Jacqueline, I want to ask you, hi. What was your first reaction to these super phones that you're holding at this point in time?
Well, I am someone who's like all about glamour and what's fashionable and what's trending and what's in. And the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, it looks really sleek and it looks really cool.
It is pretty sleek and cool.
Really cool.
Yeah, and it's got great features, good afternoon, everyone. And we are here launching this phone.
All right, guys, we're going to have to continue the show, so I'm going to hand you guys your microphones back. Sorry? Yeah. Okay, so guys, there's going to be a lot more opportunities for a photo op, so not to worry at all. And you guys have a few questions now?
I do.
Yes.
Okay, Jacqueline, we'll start with
Jacqueline
you.
first.
I have a very pressing question.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Atul,
Okay.
this is a...
So what makes this blockbuster phone so blockbuster? I keep hearing blockbuster phone. So what makes it so blockbuster?
Jacqueline is saying, what makes this phone blockbuster? I think we need to really go deep into your life. And as I know from the actor's life, you are very, very busy between shoots, right? And if you're busy between shoots, I'm sure you go to your vanity van sometimes.
We
And-
spend more time in our vanity vans than
There you
on
are.
shoot.
Now, I don't want you to get bored, so La Echo has actually brought this phone for you. You can enjoy your favorite movies, favorite serials, actually sitting in your vanity van without bothering about anything. And you can be ready for the next shoot very easily.
What if we then miss our next shot? Because we're
Yes.
so busy watching TV.
Atul, this is a
Then there won't
problem
be
we
any
should have
movies.
taken into account.
Be a problem for our directors.
There won't be any movies being made then.
Is there a
You're only
reminder
sitting in a
mode
vanity.
which stops the
Actors
show
only.
and says, like, go work?
But I think that's really cool. Actually, there is usually nothing really much to do in
Oh
our
yes,
vanities.
it's extremely helpful and great content on a phone like this.
And-
So now I have a question.
Oh my God.
You
Okay.
know, I'm all about being a maverick in industry and coming in and doing something new. How do you think this phone changes the game, sir?
You're saying changing the game?
Yes.
Siddharth, if you really look through what I said earlier, I think it's not about changing the game. It's about changing the entire, in my view, the playfield. It's no longer a devices world. It's no longer manufacturers making hardware. It's all about actually getting content and ecosystem around the devices, making entertainment on the go available to Siddharth, you, to Jacqueline, you, and to all the super fans over here. I think that's how we will change the playfield.
I'm excited.
Right, It
Are
is,
you
it is
cool?
great. And with all these features already inbuilt, I think that's all we need.
Yeah.
It's all in over there.
Just
So I
keeps
want you
getting
to be
better and better,
the super fan
seriously.
for us very soon.
Yes.
And we get to keep these.
I hope so, because they look super expensive. So I
Yeah.
hope we're getting gifted.
But the thing is, yeah, that's the point. Now, we are all pretty convinced about the phone. They are super phones. But here's the most important question. How much does it cost? This is a very important part of everybody's thought pattern. Plus, I have just half a kidney left after the car and home loan, Atul, so I'm hoping it's not too expensive. This is just about our life support. So should we guess? We are giving away a free pressure cooker if you guess the right
Oh,
right
really?
answer.
Chalo, bhaiyo.
It's my
I'm-
pressure
Free
cooker.
phone. You'll
I'm just
get the
giving it
free
to
I
you.
get a free pressure cooker.
Okay, so how much do you think the phone costs?
Okay, well,
Um,
wait.
okay, okay.
I
you
want to
start.
win this pressure cooker. Okay, there's a lot of features.
Blockbuster,
It looks blockbuster phone. It looks super sleek.
music.
There's music. There's
I'm prompting you.
live,
Everything there is live music, concerts.
Okay, 20. I'm gonna go with 20.
Jacqueline says 20,000 rupees?
Yes.
Okay, she says 20,000 rupees.
So are we warm, cold, freezing? What's
What do you think? Should we price at 20,000?
Okay, I guess I'm under tight budgets around.
Please.
ladies?
I
Do you
know,
wanna go
Siddharth,
more
I know you
than
need to
that?
work harder. I know.
I'm a very tight
Siddharth, how
budget.
much can you pay?
I don't know about the 17, 18.
Siddharth is now being very generous to all the super fans and everyone. He wants it at 17, 18. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean.
Is
I
it
think
okay
20.
or it's we should be higher or low? We should
It's
be
higher.
higher?
Higher?
Come on.
It's still high?
बोल के बोल. कितना है इस फोन का?
Okay.
बोल.
बिल्कुल बोल लगाइए आइए
So let me just
Oh,
announce
whoa!
the pricing,
Whoa.
which is
10,999. That's
this
insane.
is wait,
Even
wait,
Cyrus
wait.
can afford that.
I can't personally. But I can look at it still.
So this
We
is
can get
the,
two! Yay!
okay. So let them.
Le 16 Eco.
So that's an incredible price.
They can go down now.
Yeah, that's
are we
an
watching?
Amazing price, guys.
B.
That pretty
So-
much takes care of a lot of problems.
This is actually the pricing of La 1S which we have right now.
That's
So this is not the
fantastic.
price which we are going to announce.
Wow. What?
Yes.
What's the price you're going to announce?
So this is the price which we will like to offer for La 1S Eco.
Now I can afford it.
10,899. And in this price, let me also say that you will get La 1S Eco plus a membership worth 4,900 rupees for 1 year for La Eco, which you will get all the beautiful
Wow.
content that you saw about earlier on in the day.
So if you get this phone, you get a membership of $5,000. That's pretty cool.
So if you really add the two numbers, which is 15,799, is that what you will be paying for this phone? Does it sound like a good price? I think no, because it's still on the higher side. So we are going to make a special offer. We're going to offer a 4,000 rupees discount on our devices for La 1S Eco, so that the phone can actually come to you at a price which is 11,799.
Wow. That is an incredible. I think we're all getting this phone.
Which will also give you 1 year La Eco membership.
Are you serious? Okay, this is sorted. Done.
Yes.
I mean,
However,
right.
I think we want to actually further make it more attractive, and this is the price which we are going to offer with 1 year La Eco membership plus the La Eco offer of 4,000 rupees on devices. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and thank you both so much for being here. It's very sweet of you guys. And let's give them a huge
Where
round
are
of
the
applause.
super fans? Are we okay? 10,899 with 1 year membership. We're given a 4,000 rupee discount on the devices.
Thank you so
Yes,
much for the
Anna.
phones.
Just
Atul.
wait a
Thank you.
sec. Yeah,
So
Siddharth said that he's really pushing hard. So I want to make a special offer for Siddharth.
Lovely.
Okay?
He gets a special offer? What about
Yes.
me? Do I get the
Well,
pressure cooker?
okay.
I
Well,
get
I'm
to-
keeping
So-
this cooker.
For the first introductory offer, we are going to make at 9,999. This is the price which we'll give as an introductory
That's
offer
confusing.
for our first
That's
flash
confusing.
sale.
Only for me. Thank you, sir.
And what is my
So
special?
this is the price which we will offer,
That is
9,999 for the first introductory sale, which will be conducted very soon. And I'll be announcing that very soon to you.
That is amazing.
Guys, that is incredible.
so-
At 9,999, we are sorted, all of us.
We
Yeah,
have
all of us.
entertainment, we have a great looking phone, we can look stylish and cool and yet see all the movies. You can see us here.
Absolutely.
So
This
it's
is the
wonderful
phone.
package.
9,999.
There is 9,999. That is the starting price. And at this point in time, guys, thank you both so much for being so gracious and being here. And do share the phone whenever you're not using it. Cheers.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a good afternoon. Thank you all.
Okay. Cine curry.
Three things they're looking to become a part of any brand. Today, we're actually here just for this event, and we're here to launch this phone, Laiko. And we have every reason to endorse this, I think, today. Because it has all the features. We can watch our movies on it. We can watch us on your smartphone. It looks very good. It's very affordable. Yeah, so I think it's not a long-term association, but आज के दिन के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा event है और बहुत ही अच्छा phone है.
Sorry? I think it's very important that. I think when you give your name to endorse a brand or to represent a brand, you have to be very sure of the brand that you're endorsing. So I always look at the quality of the product, because I want to be able to give some credibility. With the Laiko, it's a great phone. It looks good. We went through the features. It's amazing. I know it's a phone I would use. So which is why being here today.
Yeah, it's got
is
Bollywood
important.
integrated, guys. You can watch and listen to our music. Live. Watch our movies. So we are here to represent the Bollywood aspect of this phone. Tue.
2 a.m.
2 a.m. को क्या करना है? What do you do in 2 a.m.?
Your doggy.
I'm sleeping with my dog. He's right there. He's my best friend, my buddy, everything. At 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. हाँ जी, तबीयत ख़राब थी. अभी रिकवर करके आज पहली बार बाहर निकला हूँ. I was homebound for last 3 or 4 days. So very well, thank you. Feeling better now to start shooting with her. We are starting our film, so I have to be back in about and healthy.
सिद्धार्थ, एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल आया है कि अगर आप किसी ब्रांड को इंडोर्स करते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से एक नियम आ गया है कि आप पूरी तरह से लायबल होंगे अगर कोई भी घटना होती है.
अभी तक आई थिंक वो नियम पास नहीं हुआ है सर, उसकी बात हो रही है.
लेकिन उसको लेकर आप कितना सोचते हैं किसी प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करते समय या किसी प्रोडक्ट के साथ अपना नाम जोड़ते हैं?
सर जब वो नियम आएगा तो ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक जो भी लॉ है उसको फॉलो करेंगे हम. ज़्यादा जानकारी जानना हमारा काम है जब एक प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स करते हैं. पर जो क्लेम्स वो बनाते हैं या हम लोग खुद प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर सकते, तो आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली उस लॉ के कोई नियम होंगे, उसके अंदर भी कोई पॉइंट्स होंगे जो फॉलो करने. तो ऑफ कोर्स गवर्नमेंट अगर करती है तो डेफिनेटली वी विल फॉलो व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट टेल्स अस टू. बट आई थिंक अभी के लिए एज आई सेड हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं कर रहे. हम उनके फेस बन रहे हैं, उनकी कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं. जैसे हम अभी पिक्चर प्रमोट करते हैं वैसे उनके लिए प्रमोट कर रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक अगर वहाँ तक रहे तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट क्लेमिंग कि हमने बनाया है.
सेकंड पार्ट में आप लोगों को कितना
हमारी पिक्चर पार्ट 2 नहीं है बैंग बैंग की. हाँ जी, ये फ़ोन, इसमें सारे काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. हाँ, बॉलीवुड वो फ़ोन किसको गिफ्ट करेंगे? वो गिफ्ट टू अफोर्डेबल भी, सस्ता फ़ोन है तो मैं काफ़ी लोगों को गिफ्ट कर सकता हूँ. यार राज एंड डीके हमारे डायरेक्टर्स है, डुओ जिनके साथ शूटिंग करने वाले हैं. आई थिंक पहली बार मैं 2 डायरेक्टर टीम के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, तो उन दोनों को एक फ़ोन दूंगा तो कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा बेटर हो जाएगी. वेरी एक्साइटेड. जैकली के साथ एक्साइटमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज जैकली सारी एक्साइटमेंट ले आती है. सो एज यू कैन सी इनकी लाफ और इनकी एक्साइटमेंट, सो आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू स्टार्ट शूटिंग विद हर. एंड
खबर थी कि आप सिंगल नहीं रही.
मैं सिंगल?
ये डबल हो गया, क्या हो गया?
और आप
मैं सिंगल नहीं हूँ.
शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट योर वेट. ये डबल लग रही है क्या इनके वजन पे?
मतलब आप
Release a single.
एक्स के साथ वापस आपको आ गई ऐसी खबर आ रही थी, कितनी सही है, क्या है आपकी?
I don't know about me being single, but I'm definitely into like releasing a single, doing a single.
Oh yeah,
you know, we should do it for
You
like
should
our
do it.
film. Yes.
Release a single, sing some song, do
Yes,
some moves.
I'd
Yeah.
love to.
You were a bit reluctant while photographers were capturing you while you were leaving from Siddharth's house. So what would you like to say about it?
What? Reluctant?
that?
What? I have no clue.
Who is that person? No, but honestly, we were doing our reading.
Yeah.
So, and it wasn't about being reluctant. It's just that when people are on private property, I just find it a bit.
Yeah, when they're not called
You
for.
know?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
now it's becoming difficult for us to even walk out of anywhere
And
without getting
it's,
clicked.
it's his home, and I just feel that that it is not right to do that.
आप सुपर हीरो बनना चाहेंगे कभी अगर आपको मौका मिले?
डेफिनेटली मैं वापस बनता रह गया था पिछले किसी एक और पिक्चर में, पर अभी भी प्लान है. बचपन से मैं ऐसी पिक्चर देखते आ रहा हूँ और ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक टू बी अनदर इंडियन सुपर हीरो विल बी समथिंग दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.
It's too early to talk about, but still, if you can throw some more light, the film you're doing with Raj and Deepak.
अरे वो टू अर्ली तो नहीं, अभी शुरू करने वाले हैं. हाँ, बट इट्स द टाइटल इज नॉट. अभी तक हम इतनी मिस्ट्री रख रहे हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू कम आउट विद द बेस्ट टाइटल एंड लॉन्च इट. इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ एनीथिंग. एंड या वी आर गोना स्टार्ट. इट्स गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्शन. उसमें काफ़ी काफ़ी क्वर्की कॉमेडी है एक्शन के बीच में, लव स्टोरी है.
cool, it's shot abroad.
We are shooting in Miami. We're going to shoot in Malaysia. I am training for action in that. तो अभी हम लोग इसी हफ्ते शुरू करने वाले हैं, हफ्ते के एंड में. So we'll have an. I thoroughly enjoyed the team. Rajan, DK, and Jacqueline, all of us have gotten along really well on our readings, and
having fun at the
I think it'll be an
workshops.
entertaining action film, and looking forward to start it this weekend.
Even you are part of the action, as you said, it's a brutal action.
Yeah, you're doing
Yes,
a lot
I
of
am
faces.
actually. I am actually. I mean, so I'm part of the scenes with all the action. You know, like we will have.
She does. You'll see her. Yeah, you will see her do a bit of
Yeah,
action in the
actually.
climax.
So I'm excited about that because I am an action person.
जैकलिन सिद्धार्थ, इस समय बॉलीवुड में भी एक वॉर चल रहा है, लीगल वॉर चल रहा है. अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऋतिक और कंगना को लेकर, आपको लगता है कि जो प्राइवेट मैटर है पब्लिक हो चुका है, इसको खत्म करना चाहिए? आप लोगों का अगर ऐसी होती है तो आपके क्या राय है?
I hope it finishes and ends because I mean I know how difficult and what they must be going through right now. So I hope that it comes to an end soon, an amicable ending.
Nothing. As I said, I think किसी का personal matter है, and I have no knowledge, so I feel this is not correct for me to comment.
सिद्धार्थ, आपने कैप्टन अमेरिका देखी क्या?
नहीं देखी अभी तक मैंने. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मैंने देखी नहीं है. मैं तब बीमार था, उनकी स्क्रीनिंग थी. ऑब्वियसली मेरे प्लान्स है देखने के. इट बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी वरुण की आवाज़ और कैप्टन अमेरिका. तो आई थिंक लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली वॉच इट.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.